What's going on, everybody? Yesterday, in my 1990 Chevy K1500, the air conditioning all of a sudden became stuck on exhaust vents. And it was blowing cold AC air as it should, but it was only coming out of the exhaust. I'm sorry, out of the defrost, no matter what buttons I push down here. And this happened to me on my Jeep Wrangler. I had an 03 Jeep Wrangler a few years ago that had the same problem. However, those style uses vacuum lines to actuate the vents, whereas these trucks, I believe 1988 to 1997 possibly, only use electronic servos to move the various dampeners and whatnot when you push the buttons on the dashboard over there. So, all kinds of stuff online, of course, about this sort of thing. Here's what I've found, though. Underneath the dash here, just above your accelerator pedal, have a look there. There, all these little arms and things. If I can get a good view for you. See all these various levers and arms. These are all the different levers that motor right there tells the AC system which vents for the air to blow out of. So all I did was take a nice can of WD-40 that has the long adjustable little spray hose on the end of it, a little spray nozzle that's adjustable, and I just lubricated basically anything that pivots up in here. And let me mount the camera and I will turn everything on and show you how all this moves. As the school bus drives by and makes a huge racket. Anyway, I'm going to crank up the truck and cycle the AC through the various functions and just watch what these levers do. Alright, it's in the off position right now. As soon as I push, let's say, the blue AC button, watch what happens. Okay, so we can get a good view of all that. Okay, let's try defrost. Okay, so you can see the various pivoting areas. All these things basically pivot or are connected to various levers that open and close, you know, different doors. Excuse me while I get this position a little better. And there's floor. Okay, there's vent. Anyway, you know, this is an almost 30-year-old vehicle, and the AC is original as far as I know. So, not sure if this may fix your problem, but all I did was lubricate all the little pivot points relating to all this mechanism. And it immediately started working. I did not unplug anything. I did not even check any wiring. Did not do nothing. There's off. Defrost. Heat. I think it's just getting kind of crusty, personally. A little crusty, just need a little lube. Fixed her right up. I guess we'll see how long it lasts, but it makes sense that the, you know, the